I'm Andrew Phillips. Welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to do a quick important video for those of you who have the ADT Doorbell, and I'm going to get a close-up with the actual part number or model number. But I did a video a while back showing how to replace the battery on it. I've been in contact with ADT about other things, and they gave me some information that I wanted to share with you. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's the doorbell, and if we look here on the back, you have the serial number, which is 2010CTZ00596. However, if we get a close-up here, you can see the model number is DBC835-V2. Now this particular doorbell here, I did a video before showing how to charge it, how to replace the battery. If you want to see that video, it'll be down in the description. Also have a link across the top. But the important thing that I wanted to share is, as I've been in contact with ADT about other things, one thing they did mention to me. This one here was swelling up on the back, which is usually an indication that the battery is bad and needs to be replaced, which is what we did. But you need to keep in mind, if this is your doorbell, if you have that but it's also overheating, and let's say you do change the battery pack on it and it's getting hot, you want to call ADT immediately. Apparently they had some recalls on these. If you contact ADT, they will replace this entire doorbell camera unit for free. They don't want you using it if it's overheating, because they did have a bad batch that did have that issue, and you could be at risk of either it overheating or possible fire, things like that. So it's very important that when you change your battery, if you're going to do it, see if it's heating up. If your doorbell device is getting hot, contact ADT immediately. They will replace it free of charge. Normally, if your doorbell camera is working properly, when you either replace the battery or before it even gets to that point, when it's plugged into the harness, it's drawing power to be hardwired from the house itself, from the electric. If the power should go out in a storm or if there's a power failure, that's when it dips into the battery. So if you are having an issue where the battery is either getting destroyed right away and going bad, or in the event where it's overheating like we just talked about, then it's this guy right here that has to be replaced. It's not the battery issue, it's not the electrical issue, it's the doorbell itself. So just to recap, if you didn't see the other video I did on changing the battery where I showed how to remove it, if you have your doorbell here and you want to be able to remove it in the event that you want to change the battery, or if it is heating up and you need to remove it, there are two clips as shown here. All you have to do is press those down, turn the doorbell to the left, it slides right out. And that's where you'll see if it's swelling up. And if that's the case, if it's hot, that's when you're going to need to contact them, get it replaced. If it's not, there are 4 screws on the back. And as mentioned already, I do have the video down in the description where you can see how to change it. You can open that up, replace it, order the battery online. Just wanted to go over that because when they told me that these had some defective ones out there, if you are one of the viewers that saw the other video, I just wanted to put this video out there just as an update, warning, whatever you want to call it, to just be careful because you don't want this thing overheating. But that wraps up this quick video. If you have any questions or comments, please send them in. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video, subscribe to this channel, because I'm constantly posting content regarding automotive, gaming, home repairs, things like that. I'll see you next time.